Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix Google Workspace logo to show company logo. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, log into your googleworkspace.com and go ahead and click admin console, and then you will just have to go to account and then personalization and then company and then profile. So by the way, for the logo image requirements, you have to make sure that you have these requirements so that you will be able to actually upload your logo. And before you begin, you can upload your own logo for your Google Workspace account, and all organizations, units, and domains in that account will use that logo. And if you want to upload your logo, you will just have to do this: sign in with your administrator account, and then you will just have to go to the menu, and like what I've said earlier, go to account and then account settings and then personalization. And by the way, it requires having the domain settings administrator privilege. Then you will open the personalization panel, and then you will click the down arrow and then go ahead and select file to upload and select the logo image on your computer, and you will be able to see a preview your logo after that. And then you will just have to click save, and it might take up to 4 days for your new logo to appear on your Google Workspace pages. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.